Hey guys, welcome back to another week's episode of the Budget 4x4 Live. Today we are discovering Glasshouse Mountains. It's going to be an absolute blast. Hopefully by the end of the day, this car will be covered in mud. It's going to be awesome. So yeah, stick around and we'll show you what Glasshouse has to offer. Let's go! Wow guys, how good is the Glasshouse Mountains? Behind me is the beautiful mountains. Oh, this is such a great place. As you can see, we're having loads of fun. The car's already dirty and yeah, I'm gonna have a good time washing, you know? But yeah, about Glasshouse Mountains, there's something for everyone. If you're just starting out with four-wheel driving, if you're an expert in four-wheel driving, there's easy tracks, there's moderate tracks, there's extremely hard tracks. Today we're just doing the moderate stuff because we obviously don't want to break anything, and it's also recommended if you're doing the harder stuff to have a buddy with you. There's also the Glasshouse Mountains lookout. It's a beautiful place to have a scenery look over the mountains. There's also toilets available and barbecues in case you want to cook something. But yeah, we'll continue on with our journey and we'll show you guys some more footage. Well, there you go guys, an awesome trip today at Glasshouse Mountains. Man, we probably completed 20% of this place. There's so many tracks to do over here and it's so beautiful. Like, look at this view behind me, it's absolutely insane. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. If you like the content that you see today, make sure to like and subscribe on the channel and I'll bring some more exciting stuff. Make sure to tune in next time as well on Budget 4x4 Life. Have a good one.